Hello everyone, welcome to EduYourself. In this video, we are going to see how to add properties on a workflow transition in Jira. And it's going to be use case number 1, where we can see the workflow property limiting the resolution values. So what exactly does it mean? Let's navigate to the Jira instance and let's create one of the issue in one of the project called resolutions. So let me click on create, and the project is going to be resolutions, and I want to make a use of the issue type called task. Alright, testing resolution values, and let me quickly click on create and let me open the issue. Alright, now when I move the issue from open to in progress and from in progress to finally to done, what will happen? It will ask for a resolution, right? If it is a software simplified workflow, automatically the resolution will be set to done and we can get the green tick mark here. And if it is not a software simplified workflow, if it is a custom workflow just like this, where we have created manually, we need to set the resolutions manually, right? If there is a resolution screen on this particular transition. And if you're not really sure about the difference between a software simplified workflow and a custom workflow, or if you're not really sure on how to keep a resolution or a transition screen on any particular transition, I recommend you to go back to the previous videos where I have explained both of them in an individual videos, and that would be really helpful if you're not really aware. And now in this video, like I want to move the issue from in progress to done. There is a resolution screen on the done transition. So this box has been opened up. And now I can see the field resolution. And when I open it, I can see all the resolution values that are being created in the Jira instance. I can see more than 5 different values, right? So let me quickly open a duplicate tab where I would like to navigate to the global level resolutions. And this is the global page of the resolutions where I can see some around 10 different resolutions, and all those 10 resolution values are being seen on my issue when I would like to select. In organizations, we can see more than 30, 40 or 50 resolution values, right? If the organization size is very big. But what if in my project resolutions, I do not want to see all the issues which are being created in the Jira instance. I want to see only 1 or 2 or 3 different resolutions. For example, I want to see resolution ABC, DEF and XYZ only in my project, and I do not want to see the remaining resolutions. And how we can bring this particular requirement into reality? So that is the time the workflow properties comes into picture. Alright, so let me show that, so that once we have applied the property, we can only see the resolutions ABC, DEF and XYZ, but not the remaining resolutions. I hope everybody is clear with the requirement. So let me click on cancel. Now I want to navigate to the project settings of the resolution project, and then let me click on workflows, and we are talking about the workflow task issue type. So let me edit the workflow, and it's being shared only by one project, so we are good to make any changes. So when the issue is being transitioned to the done status, we want to add a property on it. So let me click on properties, and here we have to add the property key as well as the property value. Alright, coming to the properties, if we want to include any resolutions out of so many, we can make an use of the include property. And the include property will be something like this: jira.field.resolution.include, which means I want to include only few resolution values so that I can give the resolution IDs in the right side, right below the properties value. So how we can find the resolution IDs? So in the global level, if I want to find the resolution ID of resolution ABC, DEF and XYZ, all I have to do is to click on edit right before the appropriate resolution. By clicking on the edit, I can find the resolution ID on the URL. I can see it is some 10006. In the same way, for the resolution DEF and XYZ, I noted down the values like this, and we have to use comma in between. So let me take the copy of it and let me paste the resolution IDs of what resolutions that I want to display when my issue is being transitioned to done, and it should be applicable only in my project. So let me click on add. A transition has been added. Now coming back to the first step, we have to publish the workflow. Only then the changes will be applicable. And let's not save the workflow and let me click on publish. Alright, now the workflow is active. So let's quickly create one of the issue. In the resolution project, in the task issue type, testing resolution when the issue transition to done. Alright, now let me click on create and let me open the issue, and then let me try to move the transition from open to in progress and from in progress to done. A resolution screen has been popped up, and when I open the resolution values, all I can see is only the 3 resolutions. It is because in the backend we have written a property and we have kept only the 3 resolution IDs as the property value. So going forward, the resolution project team members, when they are creating the task issue type, they can only see these 3 resolution values, not the remaining resolutions which are being created in the Jira instance. And this is how we can make a use of the resolution workflow properties in Jira. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe your channel, and I'll see you all in the upcoming video shortly. Thank you.